We're almost there, right? That's fine. Take your time.
I woke up to a golden light, morning breeze and sky so bright.
Look how much of you guys. You guys just chickened out, mate. He's an old man. Old man is doing it every day, every time he comes here. He manages it all the time. Amazing. It's your willpower, nothing else. You carry on over the hills. It's your willpower. Willing to finish it. Willing to, you want to do it. You remove your...
Allah's mercy fills the world. Look around, can you see? Every river, every tree, every sunrise, every sea is a sign from Allah endlessly. When I'm running through the rain, cycling down the country lanes, nature calls His holy name. Nothing in this world's the same. Oh, my heart, just stop and see the gifts we're given endlessly. Yet we break what's pure and clean. Will we wake before it leaves? Moonlight dancing on the lake, stars above begin to wake. How can hearts become so blind to the wonders all around? Fields of green and waterfalls, quiet forests standing tall. Even silence seems to say, remember Allah night and day. Every flower starts to bloom after hardship passes through, like a lesson for the soul. After darkness comes the dawn. We were given earth in trust, not to ruin, break, corrupt, but to guard the skies and seas and protect the living trees. Smoke is rising, rivers cry, animals are losing life. Still Allah gives us chance again to return and make amends. So when you stand beneath the sun or watch the rivers gently
Keep on walking.
ask yourself deep in your heart, how can this be made by chance? Look around, can you see? Every mountain, every breeze, every sunset endlessly is a sign from Allah beautifully. When I'm running through the hills, cycling roads so calm and still, every moment, every thrill reminds me Allah's presence is real. Oh, my soul, don't turn away from the signs we see each
Another one.
day.
Oh my God.
All this beauty fades so fast. Let us learn before it's past. Children laughing in the park, tiny lanterns in the dark. Simple moments heal the heart, mercy shining from the start. Rain that falls upon dry land never comes without command. Every drop has been decreed, every soul receives its needs. So I breathe the air again, feel alive beneath the rain. Alhamdulillah for this life, for the struggle and the life. Look around, just look and see.
You made me 15 years old when I came the other day. When I went home, I felt like 70 years old.